Are you trying to figure out where to snag some Newton tokens, but coming up empty on some of the biggest exchanges like Binance? It's a common problem. When a project like Newton Protocol, or even the Canadian exchange, Newton, starts gaining traction, one of the first questions is always, which major exchange has the listing? The answer, as is often the case in crypto, is a bit nuanced, and it mostly depends on which Newton you're looking for. Let's clear up the confusion and show you exactly where to find the Newton token you're after, whether it's Newton Protocol, NEWT, which is an AI-powered DeFi token, or Newton, NTN/NEW, which is a different project entirely. First, let's look at the major global centralized exchanges, or CEXs. If you are looking for Newton Protocol, NEWT, you're in luck with some major players. You can find Newton Protocol listed for trading on exchanges like KuCoin and also on Bitget. Some sources even point to an initial listing on a platform called Binance Alpha, suggesting a potential tie or future listing to the larger Binance ecosystem, but for current, reliable spot trading, KuCoin and Bitget are key. Now, what about the original Newton projects, sometimes tickered as NEW or NTN? You'll find these on other major centralized exchanges. For example, the Newton token can be traded on platforms like Phoenix and sometimes even on Coinbase, in some regions and depending on the specific token. The most important takeaway here is to always double-check the ticker and the project's official contract address to ensure you're buying the right asset. There are a few different Newtons in the crypto space. Beyond the CEXs, you have two other great options for buying any Newton token, especially the newer projects. First, look to decentralized exchanges or DEXs. If you have a wallet like MetaMask, you can connect to a DEX, such as Uniswap, and swap for NEWT or NEW. This is often the first place new tokens become available, and it gives you complete control over your assets. You will just need the correct network and contract address, and some ETH or another base currency to cover the gas fee. Second, for our Canadian viewers, there is a distinct platform called the Newton Crypto Exchange. This is a popular Canadian trading platform where you can easily buy major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum using Canadian dollars, and in some cases, other supported tokens as well. If your goal is to buy crypto easily in Canada with low fees, this domestic exchange is a great place to start. So, to recap the main question, while a definitive, main spot listing on a platform like Binance may still be pending for one or both of the tokens, you can confidently buy Newton Protocol on KuCoin and Bitget. Other versions of Newton are available on exchanges like Phoenix and sometimes on Coinbase, as well as through all the major decentralized exchanges. Always make sure to do your own research before committing any capital. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.